Why is financing a car more expensive than buying outright? In the next 3 minutes, I'll walk you through the hidden costs that make a loan pricier than paying cash. Meet Luca, a fresh graduate who just landed his first paycheck and is torn between a cash purchase and a loan. Stay with me and you'll see exactly why financing costs more. Luca spots the price tag of a brand new sedan gleaming under the showroom lights. The salesperson tells him financing lets him drive it today without paying the full amount up front. He pictures a loan paper sliding across the desk, the keys slipping into his hand, the engine humming. The convenience feels huge, but Luca wonders what hidden cost is tucked inside that easy option. Luca opens his spreadsheet and watches the cash balance shrink as the monthly loan payment looms over his budget. He realizes that paying cash would leave that money untouched, ready for a flat tire, a sudden medical bill, or any surprise expense. Paying cash, he notes, reduces the need for an emergency fund and keeps his safety net intact. Still, a doubt lingers. Does a bigger cash cushion truly outweigh the risk of the car breaking down later? Luca walks to the next row of cars and spots a hatchback equipped with lane keep assist and automatic emergency braking. Financing makes that high-tech safety affordable now, while the older models he could afford with cash lack those upgrades and tend to break down more often. He remembers that older vehicles can mean higher repair risks, turning a cheap purchase into a costly garage habit. The question haunts him: does the peace of mind from newer safety justify the extra price of a finance car? Luca steps onto the lot and spots a newer sedan with a glossy price tag that screams $10,000 more than the used car he could buy with cash. The dealer reminds him financing can cover that extra amount, so he could drive it today. But does paying more up front hide a bigger bill? Later, Luca walks to the corner where an older, high-mileage hatchback waits. It fits his cash budget, but the odometer reads over 100,000 miles. Older cars often need costly repairs, turning a cheap purchase into a monthly drain. Could the low price become a hidden expense? Back at his apartment, Luca lists his options on a napkin. Financing gives safety and the newest tech, yet it shrinks his emergency stash. Paying cash protects his savings, but may trap him with repair headaches. The real answer hinges on what matters most to him: peace of mind or cash flexibility. Which path truly saves? Why is financing a car more expensive than buying outright? Because financing lets you buy a newer model packed with safety tech, which carries a higher price tag, and it ties up the money you could keep for emergencies. Paying cash skips the loan, keeps your cash reserve intact, and steers you toward an older, cheaper car that fits your budget. Luca now sees which path truly costs less. That's the whole story at a glance. Now, draw me the world.